It's your 35th birthday. I want to wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. You are amazing. I love you to the moon and back, and you rock your 30s. I wanted to send you something very funny, very special, caring, charismatic. But then I realized you already have me. So I just sent a substitute. And to make your day even special, we thought of reaching out to some people who would like to wish you a very happy birthday and make your day special. And here is one of the most important starring guests.
Hey Priya, happy birthday.
Happy
Enjoy.
birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi Priya, wish you a very happy birthday. And I remember one line from college that you used to totally rock was whenever we used to gossip about someone and we used to say धीरे बोल थोड़ा प्रिया कोई सुन लेगा. You used to reply with तो मैं क्या डरता है क्या किसी से. So here's wishing you a very happy birthday. I pray, I want you to always be this strong, this kick-ass, and Janmadina Asham Sakala and Daivam Ninnale Anugrahi Katte. So stay blessed and I love you.
Hi PP, happy birthday. I don't know where to begin. You know, from broken hearts to our wildest dreams, you've always been on my team. Thank you, PP, for being such a beautiful and wonderful friend. And every time there is, if I need a little bit of pick-me-up conversation, every time I was down, thanks for being there. I really cherish our friendship. And I'm wishing you a wonderful 35th birthday and many, many, many more returns of the day. And I'm not leaving you. I'm not going anywhere. I'm holding you tight. And I wish we could just relive those days and, you know, those beautiful beach walks and all the gossip sessions in the lockers, our Taj, the list goes on. But see you real soon. I just hope this is behind us, this COVID situation. And then we have a blast. Okay, the party spending, ये वीडियो में बहुत मेहनत किया है और पूरा ओरिजिनल स्क्रिप्ट है. Okay, so happy birthday, have fun, and I will see you soon. I love you, I love you, I love you, PP.
Happy birthday, Priya.
Happy birthday, PP.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day.
We miss you. Love you always.
God bless you. Take care. Have a great year ahead. Love you. Bye. Happy
Bye.
birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Priya. May God bless you.
Happy birthday Priya. May you have the best days of your life ahead of you. Your birthday this year is falling on a very special day, Easter. So may you rise like Jesus Christ and have the best year ever.
Say happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Bye.
Bye. Enjoy.
Hi PP, many happy returns of the day. I'm going to keep this message super civilized this time because I'm pretty sure it is going to like a lot of people. So have a great day and a beautiful year ahead. I'm sure Ajay has planned something really crazy. As you can see, this I hope is going to be a crazy surprise for you. Get absolutely smashed on everything non-alcoholic. Get crazy, okay? Have fun, stay safe, and let's hope to catch up really soon. Bye.
Priya Pillai, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and an awesome and a blessed year ahead. Welcome to the better side of 30s.
PP, what's up? Wish you a very happy birthday and may God bless you. It's been a while that we've met. Hopefully we all can meet up again soon and talk about how much fun we had in Dubai. Yeah, I know, I've lost all my hair, as you can see. But you're getting at that age where you're also going to start losing it soon, so. Once again, yeah, wish you a very happy birthday and call me sometime, yeah? Or it's fine, I'll give you a call. It's okay. Chal, take care and give my love to everybody back at home. Bye.
Hey Priya, happy birthday.
to a person who is smart, witty, charming, talented, and reminds me a lot of myself. So 35 is a perfect age. You're old enough to recognize your mistakes, but you're also young enough to make some more. So here's to another year to make more mistakes, laughing until it hurts so that we have to switch off our cameras in the middle of a class, dealing with a few more stupid people, and keeping each other moderately safe. So here's happy birthday to you once again. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Priya!
Happy birthday, Pippi!
Have fun!
Take care!
Stay home!
Stay safe!
Hey, hi Priya. कैसी है डार्लिंग? हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. बहुत टाइम हो गया, हम मिले नहीं हैं. इस बार जब इंडिया आऊंगी तो पक्का मिलूंगी. और बता, यहाँ पे और भी कोई है जिसको तुम्हें विश करना है? एक मिनट.
Happy birthday, Priya Masi. I miss you. When I come there, I will give you this birthday crown.
Bye. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Priya. You're officially in your mid-30s, you old girl. Me too. I think I have so many memories with you, Priya. We have amazing memories in Bombay. We had great evenings in Dubai. We even had a wonderful holiday in Goa for Shine's wedding. I think my last memory with you and also one of my favorite evenings was when I came to meet you and Ajay and to see baby Ray when he was just like a few months old. That was the last time I spent time with you guys, and it was so amazing and so special. So yeah, have happy birthday, have an amazing day and an even better year ahead. Mwah.
Hey Priya, wishing you a very very happy birthday. May Almighty God always keep you happy, healthy and safe. And I really hope this coming year is filled with lots of happiness and excitement. Thank you so much for being an amazing colleague. You've supported me immensely and I'll forever be grateful for that. Lots of love, and I know that you'll have a fantastic day. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pri. Happy birthday. Have a lovely day. From our careers in Bombay to our moves to Dubai and our wedding and having these monsters. We've been through so much together. Have a lovely day and have a wonderful year ahead. And I hope to celebrate more of your birthdays maybe in the future together. Have a lovely day. Bye.